Hello friends, I am CMA Akula Sridhar and I welcome you all to yet another video at Finance MCQ channel. In this channel, we are trying to bring to you all the latest government job updates in finance domain every week. So please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Now friends, let's begin and go through job updates of this week. So friends, the first recruitment is from National Waqf Development Corporation Limited, which is under Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of Company Secretary at New Delhi. So friends, the upper limit is 40 years. It's a contractual vacancy where you need to have 4 to 6 years of experience to be eligible to apply for this vacancy, and you'll get a per month salary of 50,000 rupees. Friends, you'll have to apply offline latest by 16 January 2022. So friends, before we move ahead, I wanted to share an important piece of information that at Finance MCQ we are providing practice courses for candidates, those who have applied for NHPC Senior Accountant Exam 2021, Bharat Dynamics Limited Management Trainee Finance Exam, UPPCL Assistant Accountant Exam 2021, MGVCL Deputy Superintendent Accounts Exam 2021, PFRDA Assistant Manager Grade A Exam 2021, or those who applied for AIC India Limited Management Trainee Accounts Exam 2022, NHAI Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts Exam 2021, KIOCL Executive Trainee Finance Exam 2021, IREL India Limited Graduate Trainee Finance Exam 2021. So friends, we'll be adding some more courses in future as well, and those who applied for any of these exams, please log into our website financemcq.in and practice for your exam well. The link is given in the description box below. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from National Financial Reporting Authority, which is an independent regulator constituted under Companies Act 2013. So friends, here the recruitment is for 9 vacancies of Chartered Accountant at New Delhi. So friends, they have not mentioned any upper age limit in the advertisement, but these are contractual experience and you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. And as far as your salary is considered, you will get 45,000 during the first year, 50,000 during second year and 60,000 during third year of your enrollment. So friends, you'll have to apply offline latest by 17th January 2022. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Brahmaputra Cracker and Polymer Limited, which is a joint venture between GAIL India Limited, Oil India Limited, Numaligarh Refinery Limited and Government of Assam. So friends, here the recruitment is for 2 vacancies of Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts. So friends, the education qualification asked is either a fellow or associate member of the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India or Cost and Management Accountant, or BCom and MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks, or BA Honours in Economics and MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks, or candidate having either BA or BSc Honours in Maths and MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks, as well as friends, those who have BA or BSc Honours in Statistics and MBA Finance with minimum 60% is eligible to apply. So friends, the upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancies, friends, and you need to have 1 year of experience to be eligible to apply for this vacancy. And your per month pay scale would be between the basic of 24,900 to 50,500. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 12th January 2022. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India Limited, which is a Mini Ratna company under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of accountant, and the education qualification asked is graduation in commerce. So friends, the upper limit is 30 years. This is a permanent vacancy and you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy, and you'll get a per month salary of around 33,859. So friends, you'll have to apply offline latest by 18 January 2022. Moving on, friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for recruitment of assistant manager costing, and the education qualification asked is a cost and management accountant. So friends, the upper limit is 42 years. It's a permanent vacancy where you need to have 8 years of experience to be eligible to apply for this vacancy, and your salary would be 90,100 every month. So friends, again, you'll have to apply offline latest by 18 January 2022. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 1 vacancy of Senior Manager Finance and Accounts. So friends, the education qualification asked is either a Chartered Accountant or a Cost and Management Accountant. Friends, the upper limit is 50 years. It's a permanent vacancy, friends, but a senior level vacancy where you need to have 14 years of experience to be eligible to apply for this vacancy, and you will get a handsome salary of 1,44,160 every month. So friends, you will have to apply offline latest by 18 January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Motilal Nehru College for the recruitment of 2 vacancies of Senior Assistant at Delhi. So friends, the education qualification asked is either a graduation or a post-graduation in any discipline. The upper limit is 35 years. These are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply. And friends, as far as package is considered, you will be getting a package of 6.80 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply offline to the college latest by 3rd January 2022. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of 2 vacancies of assistant cum upper divisional clerk. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation in any discipline and the upper age limit is 30 years. So friends, these are permanent vacancies and again freshers are eligible to apply and the package would be 5.0 lakhs per annum. So friends, as I said, you will have to apply offline latest by 3rd January 2022 to the college. Moving on, next vacancy is from Indian Institute of Astrophysics, which is an autonomous body under Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 5 vacancies of upper divisional clerk at Bengaluru. So friends, the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree with minimum 50% marks. The upper limit is 30 years. These are permanent vacancy, friends, but you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 5 lakhs per annum and you'll have to apply online latest by 17 January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Abhyuday Cooperative Bank Limited, which is a multi-state scheduled bank. So friends, here the recruitment is for 15 vacancies of management trainee across Maharashtra, Gujarat and Karnataka. So friends, the education qualification asked is graduation and CA, CFA, MBA, MMS, PGDBM with specialization in either finance, marketing, business administration or information technology. And friends, remember that the applicant should be a domicile of Maharashtra, Gujarat or Karnataka and he should have been residing continuously for 5 years or more in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka prior to 1st December 2021. And as far as age limit is considered, the applicant should be between 30 to 35 years. So friends, these are permanent vacancies and freshers are eligible to apply. And friends, once you are recruited, initially for first year, you will get a salary of 35,000 every month. For second year, you will get 40,000 every month. And after confirmation, you will be absorbed in the package of 9.50 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply online latest by 3rd January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from National Institute of Social Sciences for the recruitment of 1 vacancy of accounts executive at Mumbai. So friends, the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in commerce or relevant discipline with minimum of 55% marks. So friends, the upper limit is 40 years. This is a contractual vacancy where you need to have 2 years of experience to apply for the vacancy and you'll get a permanent salary of 27,000. So friends, to apply here, you'll have to mail to ICALL helpline@gmail.com by 23rd December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from AIC ISA Pune Seed Foundation, which is a not-for-profit technology business incubator promoted by the Indian Institute of Science Education and Research, Pune. So friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of accounts executive at Pune. So friends, the education qualification asked is bachelor's degree in commerce or master's degree in finance management or MBA finance. So friends, the upper limit is 30 years. It's a contractual vacancy and you need to have experience of 18 months to apply for this vacancy. So friends, you'll get a permanent salary of 23,000 rupees and you'll have to apply online to the institute latest by 26th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Anna University for the recruitment of 1 vacancy of clerical assistant at Chennai. So friends, the education qualification asked is either a BCom or BCA or BSc in computer science along with typewriting in junior grade and certificate in computer application. So friends, they have not mentioned any upper age limit in the advertisement, but this is a contractual vacancy and freshers are eligible to apply. So friends, your per day salary would be 470 rupees. So friends, you'll have to apply offline to Anna University and mail to CESAU recruitment@gmail.com latest by 27th December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Ministry of Home Affairs for the recruitment of 1 vacancy of assistant manager cum storekeeper at New Delhi. So friends, they have asked for either a BCom or a graduate in any discipline with 1-year diploma in bookkeeping or storekeeping. So friends, the upper limit is 25 years. It's a permanent vacancy, friends, and you need to have 3 years of experience in government department or undertaking in handling store or accounts. So friends, you'll get a package of 5 lakhs per annum. So friends, you'll have to apply offline to the ministry latest by 18 January 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Deen Dayal Port Trust, which is under Ministry of Shipping for the recruitment of secretarial assistant under apprenticeship. So friends, the education qualification asked is a graduation degree and the upper age limit is 28 years. So friends, there are total 15 vacancies at Kandla, Gujarat. So friends, you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy and you'll get a permanent stipend of 9,000 rupees. So friends, you'll have to apply online to the Port Trust latest by 31st December 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Central Institute of Petrochemicals, Engineering and Technology, which is under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India. So friends, here the recruitment is for 1 vacancy of business manager at Odisha. So friends, the education qualification asked is full-time MBA in marketing or finance from a recognized university. So friends, the upper limit is 40 years. It's a contractual vacancy and you need to have 5 years of experience to apply for this vacancy, and you'll get a permanent salary of 40,000 rupees. So friends, you'll have to apply offline latest by 7th January 2021. So that's all for this week, friends. I hope the video was useful. See you all next week with some more updates. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.